In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your song on Instagram post. But before that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're new and then press the bell icon so you get notified in our upcoming videos. Now let's start. First, let's open up our Instagram and then the post. Now as you can see, I have posted a photo that has a music. Now to change it, we might need to go to edit post. As you can see, under our edit option, there is no option to change our music. Now, if you don't have any option to change our music, it's not possible. So the only thing you can do is post the same photo again with a different song. Now doing that is also very simple. Let's just scroll down, choose the photo. I'm choosing a different photo, but you can choose the same one. And after doing so, just add the music you like and then post it. After you post it, you can see that you have changed the music and you can delete the previous post. So there you go guys, that is how you do it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video and stay tuned.